An unprecedented snowstorm hit the United States.
An unprecedented, powerful snowstorm has hit the United States. Named Fern, this storm quickly covered nearly half of the country. Daily life for millions of people has been disrupted. Roads are blocked, flights canceled, and states of emergency declared. Experts call this storm one of the most dangerous in recent decades. The storm began in the southern United States with freezing rain and snow. It then spread to the central and northeastern parts of the country. Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania were among the hardest hit states. In some areas, snow accumulation reached 12 to 14 inches, 30 to 35 centimeters. In New York City, Central Park received 14 inches, 35.5 centimeters of snow, setting a daily record not seen since 1905. Over 200 million Americans received extreme weather warnings. Meteorologists warned that cold temperatures and strong winds are making the situation even more dangerous. Fallen trees from ice and snow damaged power lines, leaving over 1 million people without electricity. Many schools, daycare centers, and public facilities were closed. In New York State, the National Guard was deployed to help with storm relief efforts. Over the holiday weekend, more than 16,000 flights across the U.S. were canceled, with thousands more delayed. On just one day, nearly 12,000 flights were affected. This is the largest disruption to U.S. air travel since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020. According to the latest reports, at least 14 people have died due to the storm. Experts warn that the continuing cold and low temperatures could pose further risks to transportation and infrastructure. The Fern storm has been recorded as a rare natural event affecting a vast area of the United States.